So, welcome to Research Methods. And so I'm going to be kicking off today talking about how to think about starting to plan your research. So this is the first and absolutely most vital stage of your entire research project. Now, it consists of several different components that describe not only what you're going to do, but how you're going to do it. And so a research plan outline is essentially, first you want to define the purpose of your research. The second is you want to be able to write hypotheses and research questions that pertain to your study. The next thing you want to do is to identify participants. You want to know exactly who you need to sample out of the population that will make most sense for your specific product. Next, you want to be able to organize your research team. This means, collecting other volunteers or people that can help make sense of the information and help document that journey for you. Fifth, you want to be able to draft a timeline. Timelines are so important. It's a brief project plan that lists all of the activities you need to do in your research and assigns a date to them, and maybe even your friendly coworkers' help. And last but not least, you want to be able to determine an analysis approach. Now, this is a little controversial. For quantitative research, this is just something that is done. It is you have to know what test you're going to run if you're using any sort of statistical analysis. But for qualitative, this is a bit new. And it really depends on which approach you're going to take. So, for example, if you're going to do thematic analysis, there are a variety of kinds of thematic analysis that can lead to upfront coding and understanding how you're going to analyze the data before you analyze it, all the way to reflexive thematic analysis, which is a very flexible but very intensive process that takes a lot of time in order to sort through the data and come up with findings. So let's get started with each of these phases being outlined in the upcoming videos.